Hello, I'm back with a new tool called Fiverr SEO Analyzer. This tool was already there, this tool was already in WebMatrices, but I did some revamps for the sake of accuracy and for the sake of proper data collectivity. So let's hop in and let's see how it works. So for the sake of this video, I'm gonna use this random guy's profile to scan. So let me just click on analyze with web matrices. So first off, let me just reload the page because I just installed it from Chrome extensions. So analyze, click on analyze. After clicking on that, you will see Fiverr SEO over here and just run overview. So for the sake of reviewing it, it'll take a little bit of time because it has to grab all the data, it has to fetch the data and do all sorts of analyzing part over there. And yeah, I think the analyzing part is almost done and it has a script. So search results 3 by 4. I do not even have to explain you this, like all 40 is its niche ranking, and he ranks top 3 on Synthflow. Wow, that is really good. And here and there you can see a lot of stats over here, and not only that, you can see the same stat in your history. If you click on this one, you will see those positions that you had. Wow, I mean, amazing work that I did. And now let's just hop over to AI strategy, a category page. So we want to analyze the AI strategy. So let's say he was your competitor. So analyze with web messages. So here's the analyzation, and let me just reload. I mean, scan more pages to get more data, and I have pretty much nice info, and I can plan my next move with this data. So what to do? So you can script multiple pages, like page 1 to I think 8 it is. So let's keep on doing that and 8. And not only that, like if like you will get free 25 analyzations for the first time, and after that, I mean here. So let's see. The data is pretty good. So you can do competitive analysis. You can know what's wrong and what is not. Like, I mean, there's opportunities. I mean, and you can also search for specific things. So let's say wave dev, analyze with web messages. So median price is 100. Let's go to opportunities. So price floor at 5 versus median 100. So it has those stats. Those stats help you rank on the top actually. So I'll keep on scanning more pages, knowing more data. That is really crucial. So yeah, I don't think I have to explain, and it is not really my job because you can just basically install it and have a look at it. And I'm sorry if analyzation is a real word or not. Yeah, thanks. Pretty much it.